Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
If a man from Nigeria is called a Nigerian, and a man from Ghana is called a Ghanaian, a man from Burkina Faso will be called a what?
Burkina Fasonia.
Hey!
Excuse me, sir. If a person from Nigeria is called a Nigerian, and a person from Ghana is called a Ghanaian, a person from Burkina Faso will be called a what? Fasonia. Excuse me, sir. If a man from Nigeria is called a Nigerian, and a man from Ghana is called a Ghanaian, a man from Burkina Faso will be called a what?
Sir, I don't know.
Hey, good day, bro. I want to ask you a question. If a man from Nigeria is called a Nigerian, a man from Ghana is called a Ghanaian, a man from Burkina Faso will be called a what?
Oh, fire.
Get up, man. Get up from the floor. Get up. Can you talk to me? What's going on?
My darling. Excuse me, sir.
Hey, Scammer, how far are you?
Fine, sir. I want to ask you a question.
You ask me a question, no problem. Now you ask me a question.
Okay. If a man from Nigeria is called a Nigerian, a man from Ghana is called a Ghanaian, a man from Burkina Faso will be called a what?
Jesus Christ. Like, best way from Nigeria, you call it Nigeria. Best way from Ghana, you call them Ghanaian. Then forget. You know, there are only two ways to call those people. You call them focus. No, the focus. Then that is one. Then the second one, you can just categorize because it's close, so it's not sentence. It's Burkina Faso, so it's close. So it now be Burkina Fasonians.
There is God.
That's just what you say. Finish.
Thank you.